Hello. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to use the NDD EasyOne Filter SP with the EasyOne PC spirometer. It is important to know that you need to update your software before you can start testing with the NDD EasyOne Filter. You can find the latest version of our software along with instructions on our website at nddmed.com. Once you have successfully updated your software, you will be able to test with or without a filter. First, remove both the Spirette mouthpiece and the EasyOne Filter SP from their packaging. Correctly insert the Spirette mouthpiece into the handheld spirometer just as you normally would. Next, take the EasyOne filter and attach to the side of the Spirette pointing away from the patient. You are now ready to start testing with the EasyOne filter. For more detailed information, please always refer to the respective operator's manual. It is also important to remember that everything is designed to be single patient use, so you will want to throw away both the filter SP and the Spirette mouthpiece at the end of your test. For any questions regarding the use of the EasyOne filter, visit us at nddmed.com.